Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make this quick and easy oven baked salmon recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe, so if you guys are interested to see more of how I make this delicious salmon recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. To continue with this delicious oven baked salmon recipe, we are going to add 1 lemon juice to our bowl. Next we're going to go in with some extra virgin olive oil. To add more flavor to this salmon recipe, we're going to add our ground black pepper, fine sea salt, paprika seasoning, to add more flavor to this recipe, we're going to add some complete seasoning, garlic powder, dry parsley if you have. If you don't have dry parsley, you can add some dry oregano leaves. Give that a very nice mix. Make sure it's completely mixed together, and this is what your sauce should look like once it's completely mixed. We're going to add our teriyaki sauce, which is optional for this recipe. Mix again. Now we are going to get our salmon ready. So this is what the salmon looks like, guys. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to get a piece of paper towel, pat the excess water off the salmon. Next we're going to go in with our sauce. Right ahead and add the sauce onto the salmon. Be very careful while adding the sauce onto the salmon, because you want your salmon to stay nice and firm while it's baked in the oven. So this is what our salmon looks like. It's nice and beautiful, and the sauce smells absolutely delicious. We're going to save some of the sauce for later. So this is what the rest of the sauce looks like. Set that to the side. We're going to get some lemon slices. We're going to place it on top of the salmon. We're going to set the salmon to bake for 15 to 20 minutes. After baking, this is what the final results looks like. Absolutely beautiful. Just go right ahead and pour that juicy, delicious sauce onto the salmon. So as you guys can see, I paired it with some veggies on the side. You can add some rice on the side as well. I went ahead and add some cabbage, fresh peppers, onion, cucumbers, and it came out absolutely delicious. As you guys can see right there, it was nice and juicy, so flavorful, packed with flavor. And the sauce complements the entire recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I hope to see my beautiful friends in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye guys.